Hi guys, so this is about the Harbor Freight Tool welding cart. This is the model item 60790, and I realize I have a Lincoln welder here. However, I'm talking about the cart here. I've had this cart since I bought the Lincoln model, a Lincoln welder here. It's not the greatest thing on earth, but for what it's worth, it's pretty nice. It lets my Lincoln welder sit on it, and there's not much maintenance that I have to do on it. As you can see here, these are scrap metal. It has everything that I need. There's a better model, a higher end model at Harbor Freight Tools. However, for what I do, this is pretty nice. Okay, so I'll show you the back. So the back here has a chain for an argon tank, okay? And I'm gonna be going to buy a argon tank for my MIG welder soon. But this is just to show you that it's a pretty solid piece. It's not rinky-dink, okay? It's pretty solid, and the screws doesn't wobble out, and it does everything that I like, and it does everything that I want it to do, and that is to store stuff and to store my welder. In fact, I like it so much that I bought another one. Okay, this is the 100-pound capacity welding cart. That's how it looks like without a welder on. So I'm going to be building this up, and I'll show you the after product, how it looks like. Or maybe I'll just make a video on building this little guy right here. And this is for my Samadre plasma cutter there. It's a 3-in-1 machine. It comprises of a plasma cutter, a TIG welder, and a stick welder. So it can do 3 things. So this is the Samadre Tech CT5200DX, and that's what I have. I'm building this bad boy here to house that thing. So I'm gonna build this and show you how it looks like, the building process as well. Okay guys, so it's done, and as you can see, it's not that hard to assemble. It's pretty common sense, pretty basic. What I use is a 10mm socket and a 10mm wrench. What I discovered here is that this set of nut and bolt, they weren't fitting very correctly. But I have some extra nuts and bolts left over. Okay, and everything here is bolted. So you can see here, this axle right here is held together by a cotter pin here. There's 2 washers, one right here and one on the other side there. Okay, same here as well. And that's what you were witnessing. Oh, that's what you saw me installing, is the washers and a cotter pin here. This right here is for gas, okay, you know, those argon tanks. So that's what it's for. These are to hold cables, welding cables or torch, etc. So is here. So yeah, pretty stoked. It's a very basic cart, but it does its job, just like this one right here. I've been very happy with this cart. I've had it for about 4 years now, and nothing but good things to say about this. But yep, so this is the welding cart, the Chicago Electric welding cart. Capacity is 100 pound. Item number 60790. So that's that. It's very basic. Oh, I need to bolt that in. Yeah, sorry, missed that bolt. Yep. Oh, and that's the reason why there's 2 missing screws, bolts. There's 2 extra bolts. So one there and one here. But as you can see here, this one doesn't have it. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So that's that. If that one doesn't have it, I'm not going to put it in. Everything here. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. So you'll notice this thing has a bolt here, a screw. Okay, there's 2 in the back. So check this out. This thing doesn't have it. It has 1 bolt here. So I guess I'll put it on for Pete's sake. Alright, so that's that, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. The build is pretty easy. This is the older model, as I found out right now. There are 2 bolts right here. The older model has. This one has only 1 bolt here. And this bolt right here, look at that, it's a Phillips bolt. Okay, and there's 2 of them here. But other than that, it's basically the same model. And let me know what your thoughts are.